Oh, hello guys, welcome to Fanny Magnet, and today now I'll tell you I have this laptop. Okay, let me zoom it out. Okay, that's the model number, that is VGN C as in cat S1, and I'll tell you how you can upgrade the RAM memory as well as how we can replace the hard drive. Like many a times happens that you want to upgrade your like 200 350 GB of hard drive to 1 TB or 500 gigabytes. In that case, you don't need to take this kind of laptop to the technician. Normally, by just having a little bit of skill, you can get this thing replaced. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing what we need to do, we need to put this thing down. Okay, that's a Sony. So we'll go ahead and we'll make the laptop upside down. Now let me focus the camera. Alright, here we go. Looks good. Okay, so this place is for the hard drive and this place is for the RAM memory, and here is a battery. So before doing anything, let's remove the battery. This is how we can simply remove the battery. Okay, you need only these are the two tools which I'm going to use for this little work. So here we go. I'm going to first we need to remove this. Here's the screw. Alright, here we go. So we have removed this too. You can just pull this and this will come out. Okay, this is the hard drive here. So you cannot remove like this. If you can look here, okay, here there is one screw. Okay, so we need to remove this. And by just pulling this thing, the hard drive will come out. Here is the hard drive. Alright, so in this way you can replace the hard drive for this Sony VGN CS1 laptop. Alright, so let's put this hard drive back in and we'll go ahead and close this thing. Here we go, and later on you can put this thing back. The suggestion I always give, like whenever you are closing the screw, do not put the screw here. Better you put the screw on the top of your screwdriver. Okay, it will stable there. Then you can go ahead and put like this. And this partition, this place is for the RAM. Okay, so there is only one screw. You just need to go ahead and do this thing up. Here we go. This is one RAM, this is second RAM. To open the RAM, it's very easy. There are two locks. Okay, one lock is here, one lock is here, so you make sure that you do not touch directly to the motherboard. Anyway, I'm wearing a static band, so I don't have an issue. So here we go. If I pull like this, and here the RAM will pop out. So this is a RAM. Same goes with other one. The one you can click here, it will pop out. So this way you can replace the RAM. So let's put the RAM back in the system. And just like to inform you that many a time, due to moisture, the screen won't come up. Okay, when there is a moisture in the RAM, the screen won't come up. So that time you can just open this little compartment and clean the RAM and put it back and make a try that if it's work. And thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries related with this laptop, do comment below. Thank you.